Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Satyan Education Services. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. This is me, Miss Sara Liaquat. Today is our 13th lecture of English language for class 6. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 21, which is verbs, the present tense. It is on page number 101 in your grammar tree 6. Put your books in front of yourself for your better understanding. So students, as you can see some contents over here to be discussed today. First the introduction, simple present tense, present continuous, and in the end I give you the home task. So let's begin. So students, what are tenses basically? The tense of a verb tells about the time of an action and whether the action is complete or not. You all know that there are three main tenses: the present, the past and the future. When we talk about simple present tense, it means this is the same as the base form of the verb, but s or es is added for the third person singular, which is he, she, it, and other singular persons like the negative is formed with subject plus do, does, not plus base form of the verb. As you can see in the slide, the present state or condition, we use verb to express the present condition or the state of the subject. As you can see in the example, the Lord hear our prayer. What we are going to do in here, it will become hears because the Lord is the third person over here. Okay, the weather today dash be cool. When we see be, that means we are going to use was or were or is, am, are or will. So be over here, and now we are talking about present state. It will become is. In habitual action, verb uses to refer the repeated or regular actions, like the baby drinks milk every day. Here you can see that the baby is a subject, drinks is the verb, and milk is the object. Every day over here is the repetition in the sentence. Students, here are some uses to the simple present tense. As I told you about habitual, now I am going to tell you about how to express a fact that is true at the time of speaking. There is no breeze, it is the truth. To show the future event which is already arranged is the World Cup begins tomorrow. These all are the usage of simple present tense. Here you can see something important, that in singular subject you use base of verb plus s equals to present tense. For example, he look, it will become he looks. She talk, it will become she talks. I and you always take the base for form of the verb. Like if we say in the example, I walk to the school every day. Let's talk about the general truth or fact. We use verb to express the truth or fact information about the subject. God loves us with all his heart. We speak. We is the plural. Yes, plural person, and that's why we didn't use s with speak. The moon shines at night. These all are the examples of general truth or facts. So students, in plural subject, as I told you, we didn't use s with speak. When we, in the last slide, I use a sentence, we speak. So here is the explanation of this. Plural subject used only the base form of verb equals to present tense. The examples are they look, it will become they look. We talk, it will become we talk. And be verbs, as I told you in the example, what be will become is, are and am. So my dear students, it's your home task time. All you need to do is to do exercise A in your books from 1 till 5. It is on page number 103 In exercise A, fill in the blanks with the simple present form of verb given in the brackets. All you need to do is to write whether in what form the verb should be in the sentences. I have solved all 5 blanks for you, but you will see it after solving it by your own self for your better understanding, students. Let me tell you the first point. The heart dash blood in the body. Here you can see the word circulate in the bracket. It will become circulates. So students, this is the end of our today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned it a lot from it. This is me, Miss Sara Liaquat, signing off. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of your family. Take care. Allah Hafiz.